Focus. All are worried about focus. How to enhance our focus? Because without focus, we can't achieve our success, we can't achieve productivity. Today we will discuss about focus. I am Parameshwaran, productivity coach. I will give you 7 steps to enhance your focus. Let us jump into step number 1. Step number 1 is create a clean plan. So, tomorrow you want to do some particular task. What you should do is today itself prepare a clear plan. Make a plan. What are the tasks you want to do? Task 1, task 2, task 3. The most 3 important tasks you write down, and the rest of the tasks you can write. And you can just prioritize and keep it ready for the next day work. The second thing what you need to do is declutter the environment. What happens is, if your house is cluttered, or if your office is cluttered, if your drawers is cluttered, and your table is scattered with a lot of things on your work table, your mind gets cluttered. Now, to clear your mind, you have to remove all these items, whatever is lying on the table, arrange everything neatly. Even your drawers, don't keep bills and papers, unnecessary things which are in your drawers. Take it out and throw it, and declutter your workspace. Equally, you declutter your home also, like your wardrobes, the clothes which you are not using for months together, throw it away. Have only the things which you are using. And next is avoid multitasking. If you do 2-3 tasks at a time, you will not be able to focus on one particular task. The thing is, once you are doing a task, if you get diverted on a mobile phone notification or any other ringtone or something has come in between which has distracted you, it takes around 20 minutes for you to come back to your original focus on the job what you were doing. Next is make a to-do list. As I said you earlier, the previous day itself, make a plan, make a to-do list, and tick off whichever you do. The first 3 tough tasks you do, and you tick it off, so that what happens is the rest of the task will be very easy for you to complete. So a to-do list is most important. Next is take breaks. So if you take breaks in between, like if you work for 45 minutes, take a 10 minutes break or 15 minutes break. So your break is more important. Your mind gets refreshed in that break period. If you keep continuously working, your brain and your mind both will not be in sync. So taking breaks, go outside, relax, walk around your building, or just see into the plants and other items, so that your mind is getting refreshed. So breaks are more important for your focus. Next, eliminate distractions. Whatever distractions you have, like your colleagues come and disturb you, or if you are working from home, your family members come and distract you, keep your room closed when you're doing a task which is most important or urgent, or which is required to be done immediately. So distraction is one more thing which takes you out of focus. Next is meditation. Doing meditation in the morning. Wake up early in the morning and do a meditation for 20 minutes. That meditation will make your mind more clear, and you will be able to concentrate on your task or any job whatever you're doing, so you can increase the focus. So let us sum up once again. What are the things we need to concentrate on to improve our focus? One is create a plan. Number 2, declutter mind and environment. Third, avoid multitasking. 4, make a to-do list. 5, take breaks. 6, eliminate distractions. And 7, do meditation. You can enhance your productivity and your focus. Once your focus is enhanced, automatically you become more productive. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the like button if you like the video. See you in the next video.